Okay, the undergraduate malware analysis course. The focus is on basic static, basic dynamics. So some of the triage skills that I think are crucially important to be able to effectively be able to understand how to triage malware and things that you think or suspect are suspicious or malicious, but then also to know where your limitations are. The course material includes assessments. There are, of course, slides to help present the material, and then there are a number of labs, some and many actually, with source code so that you can ensure that you're not giving your students real malware, although I do encourage and I like to use real malware in the appropriate settings with my students, but then also that you can make modifications and you can understand fully what these binaries are, what the students are seeing in the binaries, the behaviors that you're trying to get them to detect and maybe emphasize. And of course, that leaves room for you to ultimately make modifications.